I'm putting these outdoor receptacle blocks where my siding can tuck inside of there. You just mount this piece, nail it in, and then this is adjustable depending on the thickness of your siding. I'm just putting me a bead of Lexel around it. And I'll nail it off, and that's all there is to it. So this is what we started with. We got 2 LVLs. They're 1 3/4 a piece, but I got 10 by 10 posts. I'm just gonna go under that. So I'm turning it into this. I'm gonna fur it out with 2 by 6s. That way, once I wrap that LVL up there, it'll be the same width, or close to it, as the post. So we don't have the post sticking out on the inside for birds to build nests up there, and we don't have to notch the post around the LVL, and that'll cause it to crack down the road. So we just got to go on around the porch there. I got this side done. Got to get a start on the stairs. We're going out of town, but the guys are going to come back today and finish it up. I got to do a header up there and build a little half wall at the top of the bonus room, or at the top of the stairs. Got me a little jig set up here. We're about to cut some soffit. I'm gonna get started on the back side, In case I screw it up too bad, you won't be able to see it from the front, but I'm gonna get some more J trim up and get some soffit in. We'll have that perforated on all the soffit for the porch and the awnings over the garage doors and the little roofs over those exterior doors. And got awnings over the front garage doors. So we'll get it cut up. I hadn't took a video in a while, but got a line set in for a mini split in the bonus room and got a line set. There's gonna be a mini split mounted on the wall here for the garage. Passed a rough inspection on everything yesterday, so we'll be getting installation in the next week and then on the drywall. Just finished up the soffit on the porch. Got my 2 hips there, 45. Me and Daddy did the 3 awnings on over the garage doors yesterday, and we got to this corner in a little bit down that side there. Well, we got all the porch soffit done down through there. We'll just have to do this one gable side over here. I did vented soffit under the eaves all the way around just so there can be some airflow in there, but we'll do solid here. So we'll get solid on that and the porch will be done, and we're done with all the vented soffit. Oh yeah, by the way, that's one of them hens Tractor Supply sold me. You probably heard him the other day in the video. We got at least 1 rooster out of 10, but they're all still alive, so we're gonna do vented soffit here on the side of these little roofs, but that'll be all the vented soffit. So A lot more to go. Back on some soffit. We got down this side done. I got the little vented pieces on that small roof there. We got to put some ice and water on top of these. We got down the side of the garage here done. And then got this little roof all finished up. Keep at it. Got a lot to go. That spray foam done. Gonna spray foam all the exterior walls and the roof deck. And they're gonna do the closed cell on the crawl space walls and encapsulate it.
What? I put right in that box right there. Out of the spray. Look, hey.
Up here on the roof, getting some soffit in. About dark out here, but the boy's still in there spraying spray foam. Looking a little different in here now. Got all 4 exterior walls sprayed today, and the wall between the garage and the house. You still got to get up all the way across the roof deck and then get everything in the garage and the bonus room. But he said while he's spraying that, his other guys will be shaving and cleaning up all the walls. We should be sealed up pretty good once it's said and done. They take seal it and hit every single crack where the 2x4s or whatever lumber meets. It ought to have a good airtight seal. They blocked off the ceiling outside of the bonus room floor up there. They'll spray underneath all the way across here, and then the roof deck up there above the garage will get sprayed. This stair wall will be sprayed. That exterior wall over there will be sprayed, and then everything around the garage. We got spray foam done. I still got to build me a little half door, triangle door right there. Water heater's gonna go over that hole, and then well tank there. A little half bath will go in that room. I got the garage done. Bonus room is done. She should be sealed up pretty tight. And they got all the house done too. They didn't have to shave this because that wall was furred out to make it a 2x6 wall. So that's a half of a 2x4 there, and then a full 2x4 wall behind it. So had to do that for the dryer vent. Got all the house done. Just sprayed the whole roof deck. And Junior and the guys are working on the chimney. And they got the bottom part down here done. And got about a half a day left to finish it up. Everything's looking good. When we get back up and finish some soffit soon. We just got the gable on the front and the back of the garage over there. And then over around the fireplace when they finish the chimney. And then that piece there. Siding should be coming in soon. I'm gonna do that ourselves too. Save a little bit on labor. Y'all think this is OSHA approved? We gotta get up there to put J-trim and soffit. I think so. Got a little bit of interior insulation done. We're doing that Rockwool Safe and Sound just for some sound deadening. We still got to do these two walls here, and then we're going to do all the way down this side so we have separation from that bedroom. And then we're gonna do, so we got that covered from the leftover insulation I had. We'll hit above the doors. We'll do that wall, above that door, and then all the way down this hallway to the laundry room. That way these Jack and Jill bedrooms will be completely closed off and sound deadened from the kitchen and the hallway. And then it's a little dark over here, but we're gonna do this wall here, which is the laundry room. So, and then it's spray foamed in between it and the garage. And if we have anything left, we might insulate that half bath there, put some sound deadening on it. But yeah, I got 10 bags. We'll see how far it goes. Me and Taylor got 2 in and a few pieces out of the third, so 2 should get us a little ways. Got the soffit finished up today too. So, well, we got our little side of the house insulated. Taylor done most of it. Got the wall separating the living room here. Then we got separation all the way down from that bedroom next to us. And this is our closet here. We probably won't insulate it, but we got the right wall of it insulated just because it backs up to that bedroom. So yeah, we're gonna insulate all this here and down the hallway. And then if we have any left over, we'll do the half bath. We got 4 bags out of 10 left, so we've used 6 of them to do what we've done so far. We should have enough to finish what we want to do. We still got to do the laundry room too. Just working in the evenings on it. We got the crawl space open and framed out with some 2x12s, and put some stops in there that'll hold the door. The insulation guys are working on encapsulating the crawl space now, so they're going to spray the walls and around the piers with closed cell foam, and he's going to go ahead and spray the back of this door too. But turned out pretty good.